This is the Bend Motorsport Park in South Australia. At 7.77 kilometres, its twists, straights and undulations make it the second longest permanent racetrack in the world, behind only the Nürburgring Nordschleife. The Bend is the ideal place to benchmark the future of high-performance cars. This is the Porche Taycan Turbo S, producing 560 kilowatts purely on electric power. This is Bathurst 1000 champion Luke Youlden, the chief instructor of Porsche Track Experience in Australia. The challenge, a new lap record.
So to drive the Taycan is not too dissimilar to a petrol-driven car. It's unbelievably dynamic, even though it is a little bit heavier. The batteries are very, very low, so the centre of gravity is extremely low, which obviously makes the handling and the braking exceptionally good. The lap time of the Taycan just absolutely blew me away. To be that close to the old GT2 RS lap record around here, unbelievable. I mean, we did under 2.5 seconds 0 to 100 in this car, and that sort of feel off the corner is where the Taycan makes up most of its lap time. It's unbelievable.
With Luke behind the wheel, the Taycan laps the Bend 7.77 kilometres in just over 3 minutes and 30 seconds. That's just 8 seconds slower than the ultimate all-round performance sports car, the Porsche 911 Turbo. It's a driving experience like no other.